That feels good.
Am I bossy? Okay, so we're going to do the technique that I told you about that's good for lifting the eye. More of an Asian eye. Okay, and I'm just going to use a neutral color. If I can reach it. Here we go. This one's called Irresistible. And you can do a shimmer with this. You can do a matte. It doesn't really matter. I might throw some shimmer on over it after I show you the original technique.
Keep going here. Brooklyn didn't really do that. Like, he just didn't do anything until he was doing everything. He's like, he didn't do a lot of that.
So you press that on, make it go into a triangle. Right where your eyeball ends is where you're going to end putting it on your lid. Make it into a triangle here, and it's going to pull it up. And then when you put your mascara on, it's going to look huge.
Do you fill the middle part of the
Yeah,
eyeball?
it's all done. Okay, open. All right, you can already tell. I haven't blended it, but you can already tell how it's going to open the eye. Okay, then I'm going to take, look all the way up, and make a fuzzy line through here. I need more pigment, of course.
What color was that you're using?
This one is it's called Irresistible. And it's just kind of a beigey brown.
So is your sister going to play the game?
Okay, then we're going to take a different brush. Oh, I'm curious.
No, I'm too much more fruity.
Okay, we're going to take a different brush. Just press right here. Now the brush is empty, and we're going to blend it out.
Download it for free. They even tell you how to do it. They said it'll take about an hour.
Open.
It's kind of nice because they're part of some kind of network that allows free.
Just blend that line. And then once we get those eyelashes flipped up, everything's going to be nice and open.
What do you do about